Hi everyone, today I am showing you guys how to make Korean style fried chicken. This fried chicken is so nice. It is spicy but not too spicy. It is sweet, salty, garlicky. It's just intensely flavorful. And the ingredients you will need are chicken, eggs, corn flour or cornstarch, all-purpose flour, pepper, salt, and this chili paste, which originate from Korean. This is the one that will put all the flavor in the fried chicken all together. This is just for the fried chicken. We will need more ingredients than this, but this is what you're gonna work with first. So we start with seasoning the chicken. You want to season it first because you want the chicken to have a little bit of more flavor. If you just season the batter will just be salty, but the chicken inside will just be bland. So first let's put half of this into the chicken and put half of the ground black pepper and just mix it in. Okay, so when you mix the salt and pepper all together with the chicken, you can now put it in the fridge for 10 minutes so that the salt and pepper will enhance the flavor inside of the chicken. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. The chicken has been in the fridge for a while now. So now let's coat it with the corn flour and the flour. So you have to mix it together first so it is more mixed together. It's not like one part is corn flour, one part is all-purpose flour. So just mix it together first and add in the remaining salt and pepper. Just mix it in and add in the remaining black pepper. So just keep mixing it until it's all incorporated. And when it's all done, you can move on and set that aside. So now for the chicken, you need to add in your eggs inside the chicken, onto the chicken, and then just mix it so that the chicken can be coated with your eggs. So just keep on mixing until you see that it's all mixed in. Okay, so now this is all mixed in, and when it all mixed in, you can add in your flour mixture, and now just mix it again. I recommend you guys to wear gloves because if you don't wear gloves, this is what my hand's gonna look like. It's also hygienic, and make sure that you're not contaminating your chicken just in case your hands aren't clean. So first you want to do a low fry. A low fry means that you have to fry them in a lower temperature. So in this case you need to fry them in medium heat, not in high heat like normal frying food should be. So when the reason why I low fry them because I need to make sure they're cooked through. When they're all cooked through, take them all out and then rise up the temperature a little bit and into high heat, and then put in your chicken when the oil is hot. You want to cook them for 3 or 4 minutes or until their outside is golden brown. When it is golden brown, you can take them out, strain them to make sure there's no excess oil, and now you can make your sauce. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, put in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 4 tablespoons of ketchup, and just put it all in together and mix it up. And you can put in another 4 tablespoons of sugar and then just mix it up again. When the sugar is all melted, you can add 2 tablespoons of the chili paste. When the chili paste have been mixed up, you can put in 2 tablespoons of grated or minced garlic. And then you can put in your fried chicken in and stir it all up. Oh my god, so this is the final product. It looks so sticky, it looks so nice. I just want to eat right now. But before we eat it, we're gonna sprinkle it with some toasted sesame seeds. I mean, you don't need to, but it kind of adds in, you know, another like something. Okay, so now we can finally taste it. But before I taste it, I'm gonna welcome back a person that likes to taste my food. Come here. So this is my cousin. She came back again because she wants to eat the chicken wings. So take one. Looks good, right?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. So sticky and sweet and salty and spicy. Wow. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.